Hello, 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 my food-loving friends, and welcome back to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. It is hot. I don't mind the heat, but today it's pretty hot. I think it's almost 100. But enough about it being hot. What do I like to do on a hot summer day? I like Jamaican style iced coffee. I usually drink coffee every morning. So what I do is I make extra so I can have a little bit left over, and I'm gonna show you how to spruce it up to make the most delicious iced coffee you've ever had. Let's go. Okay, my friends, so what do we need for our Jamaican style iced coffee? So as I was telling you before, I usually leave a little bit of coffee. I make extra in the morning, so I'll have a little bit left over. So I have that. I have some powdered cinnamon, some fresh orange peel that I usually dry because it adds a lot of flavor. I have some fresh nutmeg. I have some fresh cinnamon leaf, vanilla extract, condensed milk, a container to mix it in, and a mason jar to store it or to drink from, whichever you choose. Okay? Sweeten this to taste, right? You can make it as sweet as you want. Now you can take this and store it in the fridge until it gets cool, or you can drink it right now and just add some ice to it. Delicious. There you have it, my friends. Delicious Jamaican style iced coffee. You can taste the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the vanilla. It's so delicious.
Let me go under the umbrella. What you want? Mommy.
My friends, thank you for watching Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.